Hi folks, my name is Jacques and I'm going to demonstrate to you how easy it is to install this device and what the features and benefits are. The South African insurance industry pays out hundreds of millions each year to resultant damages caused by hot water cylinders. 70% of all new claims that gets reported to insurance industries are geyser-related problems. That's why we've pursued this to look for a solution to enhance safety around the hot water cylinders. In this box is the VERT. VERT stands for Water Electrical Resultant Saving Device. It detects water and shuts off the incoming water supply to your hot water cylinder in 6 seconds. It sounds an alarm and notifies the homeowner of the problem. It can be fitted to any hot water cylinder in a vertical or horizontal position. It's a green product. It saves water and electricity and has got a 5-year warranty. In the VERT box, you've got the VERT controller, a robot, a detecting cable, a lever valve, an instruction manual, information stickers, one for the geyser and one for the DB board, cable ties, Allen keys and some foil tape. For this installation, you require some simple tools: screwdrivers, crimping tool, a pump pliers, pipe cutter and a shifting spanner. If you don't have a pipe cutter, you can use a normal axle. There's 5 very simple steps to install the VERT device. Step 1, we're going to connect the lever valve. Step 2, connecting the robot to the lever valve. Step 3, installing the VERT controller. Step 4, installing the detecting cable. Step 5, we test the system to make sure that it works perfectly. Step 1, we're going to connect the lever valve. The tools we require for this step is a pump plier, a shifting spanner and a pipe cutter. To install the lever valve, we need to shut off the main supply to that hot water cylinder via the stopcock. Then we need to release the pressure. Then with a pipe cutter, we will cut the incoming supply. Then fit the lever valve and secure it tightly with the pump pliers and shifting spanner. Due to legislation, the robot cannot be installed between the drain cock and the pressure control valve of the geyser. Step 2, connecting the robot to the lever valve. You're going to need an Allen key that you get in your pack. You've got the robot and the robot bracket. To install your robot, you're going to take your robot bracket and you're going to secure it onto your lever valve. Then you're going to take your robot and tighten it to the robot bracket. You can take your Allen key, make sure it's tightened and that everything lines up and works perfectly. Step 3 is to install the VERT controller. What you need to install your VERT controller is a flat and a star screwdriver, and in your pack you receive a screw. At the back of your detector would be a backplate. The backplate needs to be secured against a beam in the roof with your screw, and then your VERT detector will fit on top of that. Once that is safely secured, there are 3 wires. The red wire that goes to electricity, a green wire that goes to your robot, and the blue wire that goes to your detecting cable. Step 4, to install the detecting cable, you will need the detecting cable, you will need foil tape, both supplied in your pack, as well as a crimping tool. Make sure all surfaces are clean and dry. Use the foil stickers to stick down the detecting cable to the drip tray of your geyser. Then connect the blue wire of the VERT controller to the detecting cable using your crimping tool. Step 5, testing the system. Once you have installed your system, you need to test and make sure that it works perfectly. You do this by holding in the test button on the VERT controller until you hear an alarm and see a red light flashing. The robot will shift the lever arm into a closed position. To open the lever, press the test button again until it moves back to the open position. Then release the test button. For all homeowners and business owners, the VERT is a total must. It will save you thousands of rands in resultant damages caused by burst hot water cylinders. It will save you the inconvenience of replacing ceilings, carpets, painting of walls, cupboards, etc., not to mention the cost of those repairs. It's a 20-minute quick and easy installation and will save you water and electricity. The product is durable, it's affordable, but most of all, the VERT will give you peace of mind.